The Food Service Exchange presents.
This video has been created to function as a companion to a comprehensive training program on the usage of the SRM60 and SRM80 planetary mixers. This video is in no way a substitute for the instruction manual provided with your mixer. If you have misplaced or need additional copies of the instruction manual, you can download them for free at the Univex website, www.univexcorp.com. If you have any additional questions, comments, or concerns, please contact the Univex customer service team at 800-258-6358. And if you have any service or warranty issues, you can contact our 24/7 emergency service team at 800-261-9261. Before we begin, I'd like to go over a few safety reminders. It is a violation of U.S. Department of Labor regulations to permit operation of the SRM60 or SRM80 by any person under the age of 18. Be sure to read and make sure you understand the instructions in the instruction manual before attempting to operate the mixer or attachments. Never put fingers or hands in the bowl while the mixer is operating, or serious injury could result. Never attempt to clean or service your mixer without first shutting off the power. Either disconnect the electrical plug from the outlet or shut off the circuit breaker at the electrical panel. Always replace the PTO cap when attachments are not in use. And finally, do not operate this mixer without the bowl in place. Using the swing ring safety guard. Your planetary mixer features a two-part swing ring safety guard. It is easy to put on or take off, and it is dishwasher safe. It conveniently swings out of the way without having to be removed when adding ingredients or removing finished products. You only need to open one side to add ingredients. For safety, the mixer will not operate unless the safety guards are attached and in the closed position. To remove the guard, first pull it open. Use an upward motion to release the guard from the bracket. Slide the top half of the guard out and remove from mixer. To install, insert the pointed end of the rod at the rear of the guard into the lower mounting bracket in the mixer housing. Then, insert the top end of the rod into the upper bracket by aligning the groove in the rod with the slot in the bracket. Press the rod in and allow it to drop into position. Swing the guard closed. The mixer can now be operated. Installing the bowl and agitators. To install the bowl, place the bowl on the bowl support. The indentation on the rim of the bowl must align with the corresponding pin on the mixer housing. Align the holes on either side of the bowl rim over the pins on the bowl support and lower bowl into position. Secure the bowl by turning the bowl clamps. With the bowl in the down position, install the desired agitator by sliding it upward on the beater shaft. Rotate the agitator counterclockwise until it's engaged. An important safety note: serious injury may result if the bowl is not fully secured to the bowl support using the bowl support pins and firmly closing the clamps. With the bowl secured, you can now add ingredients. When ingredients have been added, close the safety guard and raise the bowl to an up position by turning the bowl lift handles clockwise. The mixer will not operate unless the bowl is in up position. Raise the bowl by turning the bowl lift handle clockwise. To lower the bowl, turn the handle counterclockwise. If your mixer is equipped with the power bowl lift option instead of the handle, turn the power bowl lift switch clockwise to raise the bowl, counterclockwise to lower the bowl. It is necessary to lower the bowl to change the agitator. This makes the bowl accessible for filling. Using the controls. The mixer will not operate unless the timer has been set to a specified number of minutes or set to the hold position. To start the mixer, first turn the timer dial to desired mixing time up to 15 minutes or to the hold position for continuous operation. Then push the green start button. The mixer will automatically stop when the timer reaches 0. To stop mixing before the timer reaches 0, press the red stop button and turn the timer to 0. It's important to note the mixer will start only when the safety guard is engaged and the bowl is in the raised position. When setting a time of less than 5 minutes, turn the dial beyond 5 minutes and then return it to the desired time. For safety and operational ease, this mixer is equipped with a stop button that has an oversized red mushroom-style cap. Although the motor shuts off instantly when the safety guard is open, the bowl is lowered, or the stop button is pushed, the agitator may not come to a complete rest for several revolutions. Do not put hands or utensils into the bowl or near the beater shaft until it is fully stopped. A major advantage of Univex mixers is their continuously variable transmission, or CVT. Unlike other mixers, the CVT lets you change speeds while the mixer is running. Never move the speed control lever when the mixer is not in operation. This may cause the belts to loosen and the mixer will not operate properly. To use, set the timer to the desired length of time and push the start button. The speed indicator shows 4 speeds. This gives the operator tremendous flexibility when preparing recipes. Use Speed 1 for heavy mixtures like pizza, bread, or roll dough. Speed 1 should also be used with the optional meat and food chopper attachment. For other mixing tasks, start on Speed 1 and progress to a higher speed as needed. Use high speeds for whipping cream, beating eggs, or thin batters. To avoid damaging your mixer, follow the speed, volume limits, and attachment recommendations found in the mixing capacity chart in your operator's manual. Always return to Speed 1 before shutting off the mixer. If the mixer has been shut off by the timer or stop button in Speed 2, 3, or 4, follow these steps to avoid belt slippage. Empty the bowl. Set the timer to hold. Press the start button. As the mixer begins to operate, move the speed control handle back to Speed 1. Press the stop button and return timer to 0. Your mixer is now ready for the next task. If you notice any slippage during mixing, the mixer may be overloaded. Reduce the load or reduce speed until the mixing action is smooth. Refer to the troubleshooting guide in the mixer manual. If the mixer jams or the mixer stalls, immediately press the stop button. Take the necessary steps to reduce the load. Never put hands into the bowl to clear a jam. The ingredient chute provided with your mixer enables you to add ingredients to the bowl while the mixer is running. The chute may be installed on the front or side on either half of the guard. To install, slide the bottom of the chute between the horizontal safety guards and engage the chute on the safety guard. Common accessories and agitators. Bowl dollies are available for both the SRM60 and SRM80 mixers, which simplify moving large, heavy batches to another location. To remove heavy batches from the mixer, first place the dolly under the bowl. Then open the bowl clamps and lower the bowl to the dolly. Be sure the bowl support pins clear the bowl mounting brackets before moving the bowl on the dolly. For maximum flexibility, smaller size bowls and attachments are available for both the SRM60 and SRM80 mixers. Specially sized attachments must be used. Please reference your instructional manual for sizes available. An optional splash or extension ring mounted to the bowl helps confine ingredients during the mixing of certain recipes. The ring should never be used to overload a mixer beyond its recommended capacity. Consult the mixing capacity chart in your instructional manual whenever you are unsure of appropriate loads. A wide variety of standard and optional agitators are available to perform a multitude of mixing tasks. The batter beater is a multi-purpose agitator used to mash potatoes, mix cake batter, and icings. Start on first speed and finish on second or third speed. The wire whip is perfect for blending air into light products like whipping cream or beating egg whites. It is not to be used for whipping potatoes. Start on first speed and work up to the third or fourth speed. The dough hook is used for mixing, folding, and stretching dough. Used for all breads and pizza doughs. Use on first speed only. It will save wear and tear on your mixer and lessen the heat generated through friction in the kneading process. The optional 4-wing whip is used for heavy-duty whipping applications. Use it to whip potatoes, butter, mayonnaise, and light icing. Use on first and second speeds. The optional pastry knife performs a cutting action to combined ingredients. Use for pastry dough and pie dough. For stirring, use on the first speed. For cutting, use on the second and the third speed. Using the PTO hub. The SRM60 and SRM80 mixers come standard with a power takeoff or PTO hub. This hub accommodates number 12 tapered attachments such as the vegetable slicer, vegetable shredder, or meat and food chopper. The mixer speed control lever also controls the PTO drive speed. Before installing attachments, turn the mixer off. Remove the PTO cap and loosen the thumb screw on the PTO hub. Insert the attachment with a slight twist until it is firmly in place. Tighten the thumb screw. When grinding meat in the meat and food chopper, the mixer must never run faster than speed 1. To run the attachment, turn the mixer to the hold position and push the start button. When shredding cheese on a VS9H, the mixer should be run on first and second speed only. Vegetables can be cut or shred on the second or third speed. Always return the mixer to the first speed before shutting it off. And always turn off mixer when installing or removing attachments. And please make sure to cover the PTO hub with the PTO cap when not in use. Cleaning your mixer. Using the following cleaning procedure will help ensure your mixer stays in optimum condition. Always be sure to either disconnect the power supply or shut off the circuit breaker before cleaning. Wash the body of the mixer, the bowl support, and the beater shaft with warm water and a mild soap. Avoid excess water in the area of the safety switches that protrude from the housing where the safety guard is mounted. Do not rinse with a hose and do not use abrasive pads. Be sure to dry the mixer thoroughly using a soft cloth. Wash the bowl and agitator immediately after use. If egg mixtures or flour batters have been mixed, rinse the bowl and agitator with cold water before washing with hot water. Wash the safety guard in the same manner or put it in the dishwasher. Be sure to dry bowls, agitators, and safety guards thoroughly. Pay extra attention to the inside of the agitator, as a gray paste can develop when attached to the stainless steel beater shaft when not completely dry. Preventative maintenance. For optimal long-term performance, operators should follow these simple practices. Lightly lubricate the beater shaft after washing. Petrogel or equivalent food-grade lubricant should be used. Petrogel tubes are available from your local authorized Univex dealer or directly from Univex Corporation. Do not overload the mixer. Overloading is the #1 cause of mixer failure. Follow the mixing capacity chart found in your instruction manual or contact Univex for batch recommendations. Keep the mixer properly lubricated. Lack of lubrication is the #2 cause of mixer failure. Key mixer components require lubrication after each 500 hours of operation. Instructions on frequency and method of lubrication appear in the instruction manual. Only change speeds when the mixer is running. Changing speeds when the mixer is off will cause the belt to loosen and the beater head will not turn. Return to speed 1 before shutting the mixer off. We thank you for watching this instructional video on the usage of the Univex SRM60 and SRM80 planetary mixers. The optional agitators and accessories shown in this video are available from your local authorized Univex dealers. If you have any additional questions, please feel free to contact us at 800-258-6358. Univex, exacting standards, just like yours, since 1948.